Hello, Veronica Kitty Duterte, my
Hello.
hapon. How are you today?
I am okay. Just arrived at 6 a.m. this morning. Then I had my visit, which just finished minutes ago, just now. So
Welcome back to the Netherlands, Kit.
thank you.
We are happy that you're back here as well. Kit, how was your flight?
Long, as usual. And long and stressful. Kay arte baya ko no. Ang akong maleta, tulo ka buok. And especially with my winter clothes. So, tulo ka buok. Ako tigbit-bit tanan. Okay lang, maskulado man ta.
Kit, what was your reaction seeing your father after such a long time?
Actually I'm not gonna lie. You've probably never seen me cry in public. Pero dito, nihilak yun ko. Because I haven't seen him for I think 2 months since October. And then since, as you know already, I'm sick. I have the flu, cough, and cold. So, wala na ko nag-kiss sa iyang apik. Well, maybe once. But, diretso ko sa iyang tiyan nga kuan, nag-snuggle because, of course, no, our priority is his health. And, dili na to gusto nga mahawa siya. So,
Kit, is it possible for you to share with us lang na what was his reaction seeing you?
kuan, surprise siya, of course. When I go there, good, pag makita na ko siya, syagit ko, Papa Rudy! And so I shouted, and then, ni dako yung mata, he looked very surprised, but also happy. And then, he told me I look beautiful. But we can't talk much in the corridor, so we had to talk inside the designated area good. So we talked there. And then, so ba yung reaction? He was looking me up and down, observe kung sa bago sa ako. At first, he noticed his ring that I wear. Mao ni iyang college ring. It's his favorite ring ever because he is very proud that he is a lawyer. So, mao to niya. This is his favorite ring yun. Then, he noticed I was wearing it. So, ang joke niya na, wapo kag sing-sing imo, na. Then, kato, we laughed. And sunod niya nga pansin akong buhok. Kay nagpa-straight ko buhok. Pulot man ni Duha. His hair right now is naka-bonnet siya. And then, since his hair is quite long na gyud, so it's showing ba? So, it is showing na gyud sa bonnet. So, kulot-kulot niya. So, he was quite sad nga nagpa-straight ko. Kay, like you already know, he does appreciate when he sees his features on us, his children. He likes it that way. So, ingon ko na, okay, treatment lang man, keratin lang man eh. Balik ka ni. So, mato, ayun, he looked very happy, very surprised, and also very, I really saw the look of longing in his eyes. And then, like I said again, inevitably, I cried, yun. Nagluhod ko dito diri ko nigako sa iyang tiyan. And then he said na, he doesn't regret having a daughter like me.
Kit, we assume that you are going to spend Christmas with the former president.
Yes.
And are you going to be alone or with Mira?
I am going to be with our family, with both my mother and with Mira. We're gonna spend the holidays here. Just so, even though we can't be there on the days good, Christmas and New Year, just so he knows we're close. And just so I'm not really sure when the visits resume, but when they do, bisita na tayo.
So you don't have scheduled visits on the Christmas day itself?
No.
Because the Netherlands, we have 2 Christmas, 25 and 26 as well. So, wala pa for now.
Wala kuan diri Noche Buena, Christmas Eve.
Wala. Yeah, Kit, just a little bit political lang. What is your opinion about all the attacks hurled towards all of your family members right now?
I mean, me, I've never even defended myself against any allegation before. So, with regards to the attacks against my family pod, wala. Basag, it's always gonna be there, especially with my sister. whether they admit it or not, she's the biggest threat to them. So, not in a bad way, but just because kuha niya ang tao, and because the public knows that she's genuine about it, and that she really has the heart to serve. It's gonna be there, and wala, I think we're all secured with ourselves. We're confident enough to know na we're just really serving them for now. They're just really serving. So I have nothing to defend.
Is there any question from everyone? Wala na ba? Kit, just to conclude the very short interview, is there something you want to tell the Filipino supporters of the Duterte family in general?
Okay, wait. How many months?
9 months, more than 9 months
More
already.
than 9. Okay. So to all the supporters of the whole family, it's been 9 months with you all, more than 9 months. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up every time. Thank you for not giving up on us, especially on him. And thank you for the collective prayer, because I know that you're praying for him. I see all these messages. I see all these support from the people. And sometimes the supporters, they approach me in person and they just tell me that we're praying for your family. So I just want to thank you. And I just want you all to know that we're here. We're always going to be here. You know that not just during election time. We're here all throughout. And we're not perfect, but we're true. So, thank you.
Kitty, on behalf of the entire supporters of the Filipino community in the Netherlands, we wish you, your mom, Mira, and the entire Duterte family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous
Merry
New Year.
Christmas. Happy New Year to you all. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Thank